Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a decoupage photo frame. So let's get started. So I have this raw wooden photo frame. So today we'll decorate this photo frame. I will cut this. So let's stick this cutout. You need to stick it very carefully because this tissue paper is very thin paper. Now I am using sandpaper. Gently rub it. Here I have the chalk paint teal color. I mixed it with white to get the background color. Now I will use a stencil. This is my homemade texture paste. If you want the recipe, let me know in the comment section. Now I am using this kiwi mojito for the corners and I will apply it on texture also. This is simple golden acrylic color. I will apply it on the texture to get antique look. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel.